Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10s, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically, let's first of all open the contact list and tap on the contact you'd like to block and yes, and wait. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is the very first way of blocking the number. I forgot to say that the first one requires the number to be saved on your contacts, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both, and this is the first one. So let's tap on block numbers. And here your device is asking you if you really want to block this number because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and tap on block. And as you can see right here, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, here we've got the information that the number is blocked, which simply means that you will not receive any calls or messages from it. Sorry. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on the three dots icon again and tap on unblock numbers, but let's leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So, and the second way to block a number do not require the contact list. Basically, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and that was a misclick, so three dots icon and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on blocked numbers, which is in general section, and as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. And this way to block a number allows you to enter a number manually without saving it. So just tap on add a number, and as you can see on this keypad, you can simply enter it and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, at the very top we've got this option unknown, and after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will simply block the calls from all unidentified callers. So that's quite cool and quite useful. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again, and you can unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to it. So actually, this is it. This is how to unblock the numbers, unblock and block the numbers in your TCL Tab 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.